Tentative plans. Understanding flexibility in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language lesson. We're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, tentative plans. This is a common expression you might encounter in everyday English conversations, especially when discussing future activities or arrangements. So, let's dive in and understand what tentative plans really means and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. The phrase, tentative plans, refers to arrangements or plans that are not yet final or definite. These are plans that might change and are not set in stone. The word, tentative, itself means uncertain or not fixed. So, when someone says they have tentative plans, they're indicating that these plans are provisional and might be subject to change. How do we use tentative plans in everyday conversations? Here are a few examples. I have tentative plans to meet with John next week, but I need to confirm the date with him. Our vacation itinerary is still tentative. We haven't decided on all the places we're visiting yet. The meeting is tentatively scheduled for Friday, but I'll let you know if there's any change. In these examples, tentative plans is used to describe plans that are not final and may change. Context is key when using the phrase, tentative plans. It's important to understand the situation and the likelihood of the plan changing. For example, if your boss says, "Let's tentatively schedule a meeting for Tuesday," it means the meeting might happen on Tuesday, but there's a possibility it might be rescheduled. Being aware of the context helps in understanding the level of commitment to the plan. And that's all about tentative plans. Remember, when you hear or use this phrase, it indicates that the plans are provisional and subject to change. I hope this lesson has been helpful in understanding this common English expression. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use tentative plans in your own conversations. See you in the next video.